Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset oil on GMC Acadia. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, find the information button on your dashboard controls, usually near the steering wheel. Press this button repeatedly to cycle through the various display options until you see the oil life percentage. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the reset process, ensuring you can access the correct menu. It's a straightforward start to maintaining your Acadia. Once you've turned the ignition on, keep pressing the information button until the oil life display appears on your dashboard screen. This display shows the current percentage of your oil's remaining life. After locating it, use the arrow buttons, if available, to highlight the oil life option. Confirm that you see the percentage, as this is the value we are about to reset. This step ensures you are in the correct menu before proceeding to the actual reset. With the oil life display visible, press and hold the Set/Clear button. This button is typically found on the same control panel as your information button. Continue holding it down for several seconds. You will see the oil life percentage on the screen change, usually jumping directly to 100%. Once it shows 100%, you can release the button. This action confirms that your oil life monitor has been successfully reset, ready for your next oil change interval. After resetting, turn off your Acadia's ignition completely. Then, restart the engine to ensure the reset has been saved and is functioning correctly. The oil life display should now consistently show 100%. This final check confirms your successful reset. Remember to perform regular oil changes to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Also, for other great deals and to check out the Oala water bottle, make sure to look at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.